Acacia sensulato. Acacia seeds are often used for food and a variety of other products. In Burma, Laos, and Thailand, the feathery shoots of Acacia pinnata, common name chaom, and supot ywet in Burmese, are used in soups, curries, omelettes, and stir-fries. Various species of acacia yield gum. True gum arabic is the product of Acacia Senegal, abundant in dry tropical West Africa from Senegal to northern Nigeria. Acacia nilotica, sin. Acacia arabica is the gum arabic tree of India, but yields a gum inferior to the true gum arabic. Gum arabic is used in a wide variety of food products, including some soft drinks and confections. The ancient Egyptians used acacia gum in paints. The gum of Acacia xanthophyllea and Acacia carew has a high sugar content and is sought out by the lesser bush baby. Acacia carew gum was once used for making confectionery and traded under the name Cape gum. It was also used medicinally to treat cattle suffering poisoning by Moraea species. Acacia species have possible uses in folk medicine. A 19th-century Ethiopian medical text describes a potion made from an Ethiopian species, known as grayar, mixed with the root of the tacha, then boiled, as a cure for rabies. An astringent medicine high in tannins, called kataku or kuch, is procured from several species, but more especially from Senegalia kataku, sin. Acacia kataku, by boiling down the wood and evaporating the solution so as to get an extract. The kataku extract from a Kataku figures in the history of chemistry in giving its name to the catechin, catechol, and catecholamine chemical families ultimately derived from it. A few species are widely grown as ornamentals in gardens, the most popular perhaps is a deal bata, silver wattle. With its attractive glaucous to silvery leaves and bright yellow flowers, it is erroneously known as mimosa in some areas where it is cultivated, through confusion with the related genus Mimosa. Another ornamental acacia is the fever tree. Southern European florists use a Baliana, a Dealbata, a Pycnantha and a retinodes as cut flowers, and the common name there for them is mimosa. Ornamental species of acacias are also used by homeowners and landscape architects for home security. The sharp thorns of some species are a deterrent to trespassing, and may prevent break-ins if planted under windows and near drain pipes. The aesthetic characteristics of acacia plants, in conjunction with their home security qualities, makes them a reasonable alternative to constructed fences and walls. Acacia farnesiana is used in the perfume industry due to its strong fragrance. The use of acacias as a fragrance dates back centuries. Acacia also supposed to have been used for Zulu warriors' zika, or isiku, beads, which passed on through Sir Robert Baden-Powell to the Boy Scout movement's Wood Badge Training Award. Egyptian mythology has associated the acacia tree with characteristics of the Tree of Life, such as in the myth of Osiris and Isis. Several parts, mainly bark, root, and resin, of acacia species are used to make incense for rituals. Acacia is used in incense mainly in India, Nepal, and China, including in its Tibet region. Smoke from acacia bark is thought to keep demons and ghosts away and to put the gods in a good mood. Roots and resin from acacia are combined with rhododendron, acorus, cytisus, salvia, and some other components of incense. Both people and elephants like an alcoholic beverage made from acacia fruit. According to Easton's Bible Dictionary, the acacia tree may be the burning bush, Exodus chapter 3 verse 2, which Moses encountered in the desert. Also, when God gave Moses the instructions for building the tabernacle, he said to make an ark and a table of acacia wood, Exodus chapter 25 verse 10 and 23, Revised Standard Version. Also, in the Christian tradition, Christ's crown of thorns is thought to have been woven from acacia. In Russia, Italy, and other countries, it is customary to present women with yellow mimosas, among other flowers, on International Women's Day, March 8. These mimosas may be from a Dealbata, silver wattle. The bark of various Australian species, known as wattles, is very rich in tannin and forms an important article of export. Important species include a Pycnantha, golden wattle, a Decorans, tan wattle, A. Dealbata, silver wattle, and A. Mearnsea, black wattle. Black wattle is grown in plantations in South Africa and South America. Most Australian acacia species introduced to South Africa have become an enormous problem due to their naturally aggressive propagation. The pods of A. nilotica, under the name of nebneb, and of other African species, are also rich in tannin and used by tanners. In Yemen, the principal tannin substance was derived from the leaves of the salam tree, Acacia atbaca, a tree known locally by the name karas, garad. A bath solution of the crushed leaves of this tree, into which raw leather had been inserted for prolonged soaking, would take only 15 days for curing. The water and leaves, however, required changing after 7 or 8 days, and the leather needed to be turned over daily. Some acacia species are valuable as timber, such as A. melanoxylon, blackwood, from Australia, which attains a great size. Its wood is used for furniture, and takes a high polish, and A. Omalophylla, milewood, also Australian, which yields a fragrant timber used for ornaments. A. Sale is thought to be the shittim tree of the Bible, which supplied shittim wood. According to the Book of Exodus, this was used in the construction of the Ark of the Covenant. A. Koa from the Hawaiian Islands and A. Heterophylla from Mari Acute Union are both excellent timber trees. Depending on abundance and regional culture, some acacia species, e.g. A. fumosa, are traditionally used locally as firewoods. It is also used to make homes for different animals. In Indonesia, mainly in Sumatra, and in Malaysia, mainly in Sabah, plantations of A. mangium are being established to supply pulpwood to the paper industry. Acacia wood pulp gives high opacity and below average bulk paper. This is suitable in lightweight offset papers used for Bibles and dictionaries. It is also used in paper tissue where it improves softness. Acacias can be planted for erosion control, especially after mining or construction damage.